Hello everyone, this is FinTech Fixture. Today I'm going to talk about how you can check any violation on your iqama, any fine on it that is stressing you. Today I'm going to address it in just 2 minutes, just using the Nafath access, not the Absher app. So stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel. Follow for more. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Not using the Absher app, rather only the Nafath access. We are going to access a website known as effa to see any violation on our iqama. At times this site can't be reached. What do you do? Stay at the end of this video. I'll address that problem. Thank you. So open your Chrome browser on your phone. Then inside your Chrome you're going to type effa.sa, that is Saudi Arabia. Then it will display a site, the website. Click on it, the first one. Then it will display Arabic, so you have to change from Arabic to English. In your left corner, click on those arrows, then tap on EN, English. Then you have it in English. Then you have to click on individual and business. Then they require you to write your iqama number or your ID number. Please type it correctly in a simple manner. Thereafter, you'll have to click on login. Open Nafath to approve the request of the number that has been sent. So I open my Nafath app. I accept the request and then click on the number. Then I enter my personal PIN number, which is a 6-digit number. Then after the request has been accepted, I return to the portal of effa.sa. Then I click on redirect and everything will be good. I can view my violations. If I don't have any, I'll see 0. If I've ever committed any or unpaid it, I'll have to see it there and then. So it is done. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe and share to everyone. Finally, this site can be reached. Turn on airplane mode, switch off Wi-Fi on and off, then return to the portal. It will be able to reset and you can access our website. Thank you. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, share and comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.